Cool Kicks YouTube channel back in Torrance. This place opened up, what, 20 minutes ago? Line is insane. Alaskan Husky. Merry Christmas, you guys. Sorry my voice is jacked up. Let's go. Did I miss out on a bunch of stuff? Maybe they just haven't gotten shipments in a few days. 30% off the back wall. Starting with the 10.5, but nothing's where it's supposed to be. So I do got these Jordan 6s right here. These bad boys just released. Looks like someone just returned them. So that's 11.5. They do trick us with these freaking cement boxes, bastards. MVP's going for 140. There are no 10.5s. What the heck? Size 9 right here. 115. Is that like a clay colorway? Like freaking weird. Do got these. A $1.15. Air Max 1. These are golf right here. Size 10.5. Not digging that colorway at all. What these going for? 170. Wow. Dang, I still have my friends and family. I think I waited too long to use it. I did take a gamble, and that gamble not really paying off. I might have to hit up one of the retail stores. I might have to go to Santa Monica. The Air Max 1 Premiums, 130 for those. Size 9.5. Go for 81. My apologies for my voice, you guys. Man, it sounded even worse yesterday, which is crazy. Yeah, Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's right here. Size 10.5, go for 100. Way too much, even with the 30% off. Size 9 right here, 140. Pretty dope colorway, actually. 8.5 right here. Jordan 12 low. Extra spicy golf spikes. That's definitely interesting. Definitely ain't seen these before. Yeah, 220 for those. A size 8 of the Cherry 12s as well. This is a Golf 75. 175. A refurb over here, supposedly small size. Why is that retail? What the heck? Oh, look at this. Look at this. 140? Then 30 off on top. This is a size 6 though. So kind of like a women's size. But wow, look at that. 140 and then you get 30 off on top. So $100. Some Janowskis right here. Janowski OGs. Going for 95. That's cork insole right there. Comes with traditional insoles as well. Lakers dunks right here. 120 for those. Size 9.5. I remember these a while back. I think I missed these earlier. 130 for those. The corduroy joints right there. LeBron's size 10 right here. LeBron 20's going for 2 bills. Too much. Oh, got some Zoom Generations 190. Moving over to the bigger sizes, but the bigger size one with all the gaps. Dang it. 11.5. Jordan 2 Black Cement 175. Blazer mid premiums. I think that's the one that we seen at Ross, right? But it wasn't as cheap as that because you get an extra 30 off. Blazer Sakai's right here, size $1,100. You know, these not bad. These ain't bad. Orange Forces down here. These going for $110 for those. ACGs right here, size 9, $140. Ross Special right here. We've been seeing these at Ross like a mother lover. $120 for those. Mediocre dunks. This has really nice material, but yeah, that one sucks. The colorway sucks. $1.15. Those size 12.5. Size 11. Got one of those for 2 bills. Size 10 right here. 135 for these. I guess it's 3 Trail Gore-Tex going for 130. GT Jumps right here. Saw this way cheap at the, where was that? The Champs Outlet. 150 for these. Size 11. Scorpions. Been seeing those on sale at the retail shops, cheaper than here, size 12. Another one of these, Big Feet Gang size 13s. One of these, size 13, $130. Size 15 Luka 2's going for 90. It's 17 right here. That's pretty much about it. And yeah, they're going for 90. So at least that's a decent deal. Oh wait, Nike by Victor right here, size 12.5. And remember when it's a Nike by you, the leather is just so freaking nice. Like Look at that tumble leather. So freaking nice. 155 for those. Then one last one, undefeated. They got an undefeated Jordan 37. These are what, 135? I almost fell backwards. Yeah, these are $150 for these. 30% off a clearance apparel. See if anything is worth it. These Nike trail shirts, $20. Those are small though. Small again. This is $65. $65 for a t-shirt. That's crazy. Is this the newest Tech Fleece? I want to say this is the newest Tech Fleece, but I don't know. $120 for those. Just a nice little hoodie. Awful colorway. $100. A lot of Nike running shirts. $35 for this long sleeve right here. A short sleeve right here. Nike running is like hella expensive too. Yeah, $55 for a t-shirt. Tech Pack poofy jacket. $4.50. For freaking 50. Are you serious? Holy cow. I guess you get 30% off. That's insane. That's freaking insane, bro. ACG jacket. ACG usually hella expensive. It's gonna come off way cheap. Oh, never mind. Never mind. $400. Dang, I thought that other one was expensive. Alright, SC hoodie right here, $65. Dang, just finding like super premium overpriced stuff. Like, I know it is premium, but holy cow, look at that. Another $500 jacket right here. Alright, man, we're gonna have to move on, dude. I can't afford this. This Nike outlet trip making me feel poor as hell, man. What the hell? What the hell? I don't know if you guys ever get that. Is that football? Is that football or baseball? I think it's baseball. Baseball pants, $40. A couple of those. Tech Fleece for $130 right here. That's a small. Holy cow. Definitely not purchasing anything right now because I have somewhere to be in like 20 minutes and the line goes from right there and it goes across the entire store. That's crazy. I was talking to the worker. I was like, holy cow, that's the longest line I've ever seen. I was like, the deals ain't even that good, to be really honest. They're okay, but just Christmas shopping just gets crazy. Does just get crazy. They have a bunch of high-end stuff, yoga stuff, running, all this like a little more bougie stuff. All on sale, 20-30% off all this stuff. But like, it's not cheap though. Look, like $40 for a freaking t-shirt. Bright as hell. At least you get 20 off, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stop by Nike Santa Monica. I also need to hit up that Champs that's close now. Some of y'all like y'all hitting me up and letting me know they got some crazy stuff. Wearing some Jordan ones, just something real simple. These are the Crater Foam, I believe. It does have Zoom Air. Super comfortable with that Zoom Air. And wearing more Lakers apparel. Lakers are not playing well. They are not playing well. Clippers are balling. They are freaking hooping right now, but you know, hopefully Lakers get their stuff together. Moving on to the aisles. Got some Air Max 90s. This right here is not a bad colorway. Light bone, khaki, and phantom. That's not bad at all. It does have some mediocre suede, but I still like that colorway. Got the all white. Got the all black right there. The all white right here. Bacon alternative. If you missed out on the bacon, maybe grab these for a discount. Next 270s. That sign is black. This sign is red. I don't know why. Scorpions right here. It says Metcons. Oh, someone put that there incorrect. That was funny. $130 for this one. Okay. Digi Camo black and white Air Max 95. This is actually pretty freaking dope. Not gonna lie, pretty dope. Comes with a pretty dope box too. $160 for those. Metcon 8s. Of course, have to have the Monarch. These are the 4E. Monarch 4s, and the 4E stands for extra wide. Another Air Max 90 that I missed earlier. Zoom Freak 5s. Plethora of Blazers. These are all Blazer mids. This is a sweet one right here. Okay. Another one of these. $50 for that green one and this one. That's just insane. Okay. Air Max 2017s. Another one right here. I got plenty of the budget signature sneakers. Witness 7s. Got the KD Tray 5 and 9s. Got multiple colorways of those as usual. Immortality 2s. Got a couple different colorways. The Cosmic Unity have been hella cheap. Like this is the first gen. They're already on their third gen, so of course these gonna be on sale. Jordan 2, 7 right here. And then of course a plethora of the Team J's, aka the non-signatures, aka the who cares. That is the cheapest we've ever seen those though. Hold up, like that's hella cheap. Wow. And checking the women's real quick. Do got some Airmore Tempos. I think these are the Sabrinas, right? The Sabrinas, and these are definitely interesting. They're interesting. They're denim. They're like, yeah, they're not too bad. They're growing on me. $1.80 for those. Black Cortez is right here. $1.10. Size 8. Air Max 1 Nike by Lauren. $1.80 for those. Those are size 12 men's. Another one of these Cortez. Was this in the aisles out here before? $1.10 for those. Size 7. Air Force One Shadows with the super interesting material. These totally look custom. Like, wow. Definitely look interesting. $60. Size 9, $60. That's the deal. Men's pair right here. Invincible Run Flyknit 3. These are hella nice. These look comfy as hell, dude. $1.80 for those. Size 7. Love the employees. Look at this. Comes with a bag. Comes with everything. Okay. Size 7 retail. Kid section, just extra generic, extra basic. Extra basic, like they're like 50 pairs of whatever the hell these are. Team Hustle D's. They're like burros. Got some Forces right here. $90 for those. Got some Hirachis going for $65. But yeah, not much. Checking the aisles for the women's section. Air Max 90s. 270s right here. I feel like they had both of these in the men's too, right? Air Max Theas. I don't think I've ever seen anybody wear these. Metcon 4s. Another one of those. Air Max 2017s. Weird color, going for way cheaper though. Got some mids right here. Got a trio of blazer mids. Way cheaper in the guys section though. Which means the ones in the guys sizes, they've been here longer. And do got some running shoes, nothing too premium, nothing like crazy. The crazy thing is the line. Look, you can see the line over there. And then it just keeps going. This is the longest line I've ever seen here. I'm trying to remember if I've been here on Christmas Eve or like this close to Christmas, but that's pretty much about it, you guys. That's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end, even with my hoarse voice. Bonus footage the next day. I'm back in the area, so we're gonna do a quick check. Just checking the back wall to see if there's anything new or different. Yeah, I just noticed my voice getting a little bit better too. That's what's up. Reverse Brazils right here. Reverse Brazil dunks. $1.10 for those. Remember, 30% still off the back wall. Del Dons right here. $1.20 for these. We've seen these at the clearance store for pretty freaking cheap. These look like legit basketball sneakers. These are size 8 men's. Still got the Jordans. These are 11.5. Jordan 6 is still here. Jordan 1 Fly E's. These, not too bad, especially if you're like a Dolphins fan or something. Maybe $1.30 for these. Sakai Blazer lows right here, $1.10. Air Max 1 Premiums, $1.60 for these. I don't remember seeing these yesterday. Nice all suede on it. These are 12.5, $1.60. These are in the aisles, but I guess some people are returning them or something. I don't know. Yeah, got a couple in the back wall. So $1.60, you get that 30 off on top of that. What are these right here? Oh, the Jordan 1 High Golf. Midnight Navy or something. I did not see these yesterday for sure. $1.50, you do get that 30 off. Scouring the entire store. Jordan 1 mid, $55. That's a really solid price. Look at that. $55. That is, hey, that's not bad. That's not bad. I need to get something for a kid. Maybe I'll grab these. Maybe he won't mind these. $55. Get another 30 off and then I can use my friends and family. Holy crap, this might be free. This one might be free. Huh? They have a medium of these, but I don't like the color. Especially the little Jordan reds, and then I don't know. They do have the black, but only on large. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Dang it. Trying on the black one? Yeah. I wanted a medium. I don't like this large. Oh well, what can you do? Only got grade school sizes, but look at this. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen these. 6.5s. $70. Holy cow. Holy cow. Also found this hoodie. They close in like 5 minutes, so I need to get the hell out of here. But did find this hoodie. This is $64. I think it's an extra 30% off. It is a size small, so I'll get a 30 and an extra 30 off. So it'll be about $30. So this and this I'm buying for a kiddo that I know. Pretty solid deals, man. So the two things came out to like 50 something dollars, $54 or something like that. Oh shit. I don't know how much of that I got, but while I was filming this, I was like, wait, he didn't take the security tag off. But yeah, I got these as well as that hoodie, friends and family discount, $55. $55. That was just freaking insane. I want to say $55 after tax. I'm gonna have to look at the receipt. I'll put it on the side. But that's pretty much about it. Finally made use out of both of my friends and family passes. Appreciate you. That helped me. Thank you. I definitely owe you. And we're done, you guys. We're done. Get the hell out of here.